Hi, my name is Haley Terry, and I did my career profile on the Welfare Social Worker through the Department of Health and Welfare, and so this is a statewide job. I do not know anyone who is a social worker. Like I said, I researched it through the Department of Health and Welfare. They do offer it through federal organizations as well. So the one that I researched was a statewide position. I researched the child welfare social worker level 1, which was a 9-month probationary period. I think the pressure of doing that would be very stressful. The introductory level is about learning to provide for the professional social work services to individuals and families, including intake, assessment, case management, licensing, and support services to foster parents, and learn practices and standards specific to child welfare. So the typical stressor would be mostly about making decisions when it comes to the safety of children, not to mention running around to on-site evaluations, and going to the different court appearances. There were health benefits. There was retirement benefits and holiday and sick leave, such as vacation, sick, family, and medical leave, not to mention special leave. And they do offer medical benefits through the state. For this specific level entry job, it included case assessment, planning, and referral, which would be referral and complaints to assess children abuse, neglect cases, and finding out facts pertaining to mental, physical, economic, employment, and social statuses for the client, family, and caregivers. And then you'd be creating reports about abuse, neglect, and making recommendations for case-related service decisions. You would also be providing treatment and case management, doing social service support and change-oriented activities to preserve family unit and promote client self-determination. You would perform on-site evaluations to see if it's an appropriate environment for a child placement. And after the evaluation, you would either approve or disapprove a license. You'd also be conducting incumbent research, obtain and make referrals to community resources, and provide court-related services, including court testimony, court reports, and other legal documentation, and mediation, negotiation, and implementation of agreements. For the social worker first level, you need to be a licensure as a social worker for the state, must complete the application of licensure for the board of forms provided by the Bureau of Occupational License, must successfully pass the appropriate level of the ASWB examination. They also need you to possess a valid driver's license, and it's helpful if you can speak and write in Spanish and English. I also researched the social worker level 2, and for that one, the educational requirements, you still need to be a licensure as a social worker in the state. Successful completion of the Welfare Academy sessions and assignments, which was the 9-month probationary period. Or they need 2 years experience in the public child welfare system or welfare agency and complete the Child Welfare Academy within the first year of appointment. Or a Master of Social Work degree and complete the Child Academy within the first year. For the starting salary, just for the child welfare social worker level 1, you get paid $18 to $20 an hour. And for an experience salary range, I was able to find out that it went up to $54,000 a year. I just think that this is a wonderful job to help children within the community. And that was all I was able to find.